Hello and welcome back. In the last video, I provided you with a series of queries to try on your own. First, let us review the queries, because I don't believe I reviewed them with you, but let's do that now. First query, find all musicians whose ID is greater than 5 and plays the drums. Number 2, find all musicians born in 1990 or 1991. Number 3, find all starting fees not greater than 400. Number 4, find all starting fees except for weddings and banquets. Number 5, find all musicians whose ID is greater than 3. Is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 6. Hopefully you were able to try all 5 of these on your own. Now, let us go over each one step by step. Number 1 says, find all musician whose ID is greater than 5 and play the drums. Therefore, there's an and condition. Therefore, this person, his ID has to be greater than 5 and this person has to play the drums. DB, musicians, find. We are looking to find and. Instruments, drums, and whose ID is greater than 5. ID greater than 5. Closing bracket, closing curly bracket, closing square bracket, closing curly bracket, closing parenthesis. Verify that everything is correct. DB musicians, period, find, and instruments, and, well, drums, and the ID is greater than 5. Hit enter. And we return with anyone who plays the drums and their ID is greater than 5. Let us try number 2. Find all musicians born in 1990 or 1991. To do this, we can born, but we need to add in our operator or. Born 1990 separated by a comma. Born 1991. Close curly bracket, close bracket, close curly bracket, close parenthesis. So this time we are looking for any musician who was born in 1990 or 1991. Hit enter. And we return with 3 different musicians. All of them were born in 1990 or 1991. Let us try number 3. Find all starting fees not greater than 400. DB, period, book fee, because we are working with the book collection. find the starting fee, not find the starting fee not greater than $400. We need 3 closing curly brackets, 1, 2, 3, because we have 3 opening, 1, 2, 3. So we need 3 closing, followed by a parenthesis. Hit enter, and we return with all of the starting fees, none of which is greater than $400. Number 4, find all starting fees except for weddings and banquets. DB, period, book fee, period, find. Nor. Type. Weddings. Separated by a comma. Banquets. Closing curly bracket. Closing square bracket. Closing curly bracket. Closing parenthesis. Go ahead, verify that everything is correct, and hit run. Before you hit run, let's just verify. Yes, okay, it is correct. Weddings, banquet, comma, curly brackets. I'm just verifying that we had enough curly brackets. Hit enter. And we return with everything except for weddings and everything except for banquets. The last one, find all musicians whose ID is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 2. Let us try. Looking at the musicians table, we're only looking for anything greater than a 3, so from 4, and less than or equal to 6, so from 4 until 6. DB period musicians period find ID semicolon greater than 3 less than equal to 6. Close curly bracket, close curly bracket, close parenthesis. Verify that everything is correct. Musicians find ID greater than 3, less than equal to 6. Hit enter. And we return with 3 musicians, greater than 3, so we're starting with musician number 4, and equal to, less than or equal to 6, so everything 6 and under. We have now completed the section on logical operators. In the next section, we will continue learning about different methods and how to write queries to retrieve data from an embedded array. I will see you then. Thank you.